Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, let's write a Python program to remove all non-alphanumeric characters from the given string. Alphanumeric characters consist of alphabets from A to Z and numbers from 0 to 9. Each character of the string can be an alphabet or a number. For an example, here we have input 1, 2, 3, Amul and some special characters. This is our string input and output is this. We'll remove all non-alphanumeric character from the string. To remove all non-alphanumeric characters, I'll use isalpha method. It will return true or false. If the character is an alphanumeric, then it will return true. If the character is non-alphanumeric character, then it will return false. For example, like this. So we'll check every character of the given string, whether it is an alphanumeric character or not. If it is alphanumeric character, then we'll create a list and we'll add that character to that list. For that, I can use list comprehension method like this. Character for character in a string. You can take any string like this. If character is alnum. So if this is true, if a character is alphanumeric character, if this is true, then add that to this list. So if I enter now, we'll get output like this. We'll get all the alphanumeric characters in the list as the elements. But here in our program, we want output in the string form, not in the list form. For that, we can use join method. So use this string, empty string dot join, and you can take this inside that, and here you can see the output. This is what we will do in our program today. First, we'll use isalnum method to check whether character is alphanumeric character or not, and we'll check every character of the given string one by one using for loop. If that character is alphanumeric character, add that to list. Then to get the output in the string form, we'll use join method, right? Let's write the program. First, we want input, a string input, enter a string. We want string input here, so we'll use input function. We'll store that entered input in this variable, string variable, right? Next, as I said, we need to check every character of the given string, whether it is an alphanumeric character or not. And if it is alphanumeric character, we need to add that to a list, right? So for that, we'll use list comprehension method for character in string if character is alnum, like this, and you can join that using join. Then you can print the result. Now let's save this and execute this. Enter a string with alphanumeric characters, this. It will remove all other special characters, space and all. We'll get output like this. When a string is given, if we want only alphanumeric characters in that string, then what we need to do is, we need to use isalnum to check every character of that string, whether it is an alphanumeric character or not. If it is alphanumeric character, then add that to a list. Then to get the output in the string form, I'll use join method, right? Very simple. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in next class. Till then, take care.